Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt a little lost navigating all your sheets, reports, and dashboards in Smartsheet, you're definitely not alone. Today I'll walk you through the difference between pinning and favoriting in Smartsheet, and most importantly, show you exactly how to use both features together. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your most important work just a click away, so you can stay organized and never waste time hunting for that project sheet again. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Just head over to Smartsheet in your browser. The main dashboard is your starting point for all things organization. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see the Home tab. Go ahead and click that. The Home area is where you can quickly access all your sheets, folders, and workspaces. It's kind of like the command center for your Smartsheet life. Just below the Home section, you'll notice a few different categories you can browse. One of the most useful is the Recents list. If you've just been working on a project sheet, it'll probably show up here at the top, super handy if you hop between a few main projects each day. Here where pinning comes in. If you want to keep a particular sheet always at your fingertips, simply hover your mouse over that sheet in the Recents list. You'll see a little pin icon appear to the right. Go ahead and give that a click. It's that easy. This tells Smartsheet, hey, always keep this project front and center for me. Now, whenever you return to your home screen, your pinned project shows up as a shortcut right at the top, no matter how many new sheets you access. It's like sticking a yellow sticky note on your monitor, always visible, always convenient. Next up is favoriting. Let's say you're working with not just a sheet, but maybe a handful of reports and dashboards related to your project. Sometimes they can get buried as your list of recents grows. To make sure those key assets don't get lost, you can add them to your favorites. Here, how open the project, report, or dashboard you want to keep handy. Look up at the very top next to the title. You'll see a little star icon. Click that and you've now favorited the item. It'll show up neatly under your favorites, making it simple to find later. Think of favorites like your digital filing cabinet, neatly grouped, easy to scroll through and never cluttered. Quick pro tip, use pinning and favoriting together to streamline your day. Pin your main project sheet, the one you're in and out of all the time, so it's always front and center. Then favorite any related reports or dashboards. This way, not only do you have instant access to the thing you use most, but you also have all the supporting pieces right at your fingertips, beautifully organized. So just to wrap up, pinning gives you a super quick shortcut to your top project on the Home tab, while favoriting helps you keep all those important pieces like reports and dashboards organized in an easy-to-find list. And that's it. Now you're ready to work smarter in Smartsheet, not harder. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions about pinning or favorites, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing what you're working on. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more step-by-step guides that make your workday smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.